Buzz, you can create grading categories. Grading categories allow you to apply different grade settings to groups of activities within the same course. To create a grading category, go to the Editor tool of the course you want to create the categories. Go to your Tools and open Course Settings. Find the Grading Categories section. You may have grading categories already listed for you. If you want to delete a category, select the category and remove it, or click Add Grading Category, give it a title, and choose whether you want to drop the lowest score, and if so, how many of the lowest score, for example, the labs. You could also make a category All Extra Credit. Then you choose how you want the score to display for students. Click Done. You can also reorder the grading categories by using the arrows here. And lastly, if you choose, you can use weighted categories. To use weighted categories, check the Use Weighted Categories box to enable an editable numeric weight field next to each graded category. Check the Use Weighted Categories box to enable the weight field for each category. It will display what the weight currently is. To change it, click on the category and change the weight for your course. For example, quizzes could be worth 25% of the grade, and you could drop the 2 lowest scores. The exams could be worth 50% of the grade, and you could drop the lowest 3 exam scores, and so forth. When you're done, click Save. Take a moment to view this example before you move on. The ability to easily assign different weights to categories allows you to more precisely assess student performance on the most critical competencies and personalize your attention based on the performance. Click Save when you are done. Take a moment to view this example and continue when you're ready.